Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the Cocinare Krush portable ice cream maker. So you ready? Let's get into this. Checking out the box, you can see this is the Cocinare Krush portable ice cream maker. You can see this comes in 3 colors. We got white, we got black, and we got kind of a sea foamy green looking color. Really not much more to see on this box. On this side you have the power requirements, and it looks like it's battery operated. So I'll say I'm a tiny bit skeptical because this kind of stuff normally requires a lot of power, and I don't know if battery power is going to cut it. But we'll see. And then over here we can see this sort of deconstructed a little bit, and other than that, that's all she wrote. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Let's get this box open here. Got a feeling this is not going to take long at all in our unboxing. Under the lid we have a mission statement from Cocinaire and some artwork showing people enjoying Cocinaire products. Get those out of the way. Here you can see their entire product line. Okay, open this up, and what have we got here? Looks like we've got a insulated little carrying case here, and this comes out in one big piece. Set this aside for a minute and see what we got down in here. Cocinaire has their own membership program, so it comes with a 12-month free membership to their website. That may or may not be useful for you, just kind of depends. And right here we have the user manual, looks like. Yep, a quick start guide of how to use this thing very quickly. Should be pretty straightforward, so we probably won't be using that much. Other than that, all we have is this guy. Let's go ahead and take these off here. It's zipped up in its own protective case. It's got a handle on it, that's pretty nice. And unzipping this, there's our machine. So we have the lid, looks like a charging cable, and the actual machine. It's black with some rose gold accents, and it really does look pretty nice. It looks like we have our charging port on top here. Kind of hard to get to. I hope that's a charging port. There we go. Yep, sure is. And disassembling this, we have our outer housing here. Looks like the container here is made of stainless steel, and the entire blade assembly just sits inside like this. And if I take this out, you can see that this is all just one big unit with the paddle built in right here. The paddle will pop off just like that for cleaning. The entire motor assembly here is one piece. And on the lower part you have what is basically a really big spacer. So we'll take that off. And then your stainless steel container that has a little bit of liquid sealed into it. If I shake this, you can hear it. See? The way this works is this will go into your freezer at least 12 hours before you want to make your ice cream. That way it'll freeze up all the liquid that's inside here. And then whenever you're ready to make this just goes in here just like that. Then we'll put our spacer back on, like so. You'd fill in your ingredients for your ice cream. And then this would just set right in here like this. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And then all you gotta do is just hold this button here and it'll turn on. And that'll go ahead and spin the paddle and you'll probably have some ice cream, albeit soft serve style ice cream, in probably about a half hour or so, 40 minutes. We'll find out exactly how long that takes when we do our review. Once that finishes your ice cream, you go ahead and turn that off. This may have a timer on it, I don't know. I'm assuming it'll turn off by itself after so long. You would just take your finished ice cream, pop all these things back off again, and you put your lid right on here just like that, turn it, and it locks in. And then you can keep it extra cool by sticking it in the little travel container and zipping that closed. Just like that. This thing is battery operated, so I'm assuming it is made to be portable. So probably you'd be transporting it in this thing anyway to make sure you keep that freezer bowl cold until you get to where you're going. Seems like a pretty interesting little machine. Can't wait to see how it performs. Stay tuned to the channel because over the next couple of weeks we're going to be putting the Cocinare Krush through a whole bunch of tests to find out if it's worth your money. If you'd like some more information about it, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you make purchases through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't affect the price that you pay 1 penny. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more of our videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.